2026 is here, and right now, thousands of people are starting this year with confidence, new goals, new plans, new energy. But I already know what's going to happen. In 2 weeks, maybe a month, most of them will quietly return to the same life they had before. Same habits, same excuses, same results. I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to have one honest conversation with you. Just 3 minutes. Because this isn't another "you can do it" video. This is the last conversation between you and the version of yourself you keep avoiding. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what separates the 5% who change their lives in 2026 from the 95% who stay stuck. And the final part will give you the full blueprint. So stay with me. Step 1. The silent killer. Real comebacks are never announced. They're built in silence. The moment you start posting, "I'm about to change my life," you've already lost. Winners don't talk, they disappear. While everyone else is scrolling, flexing, and seeking validation, they're becoming unrecognizable. Your job isn't to prove people wrong, it's to let your results introduce you later. Step 2. Kill the old identity. People know you as a certain version, the one who starts but never finishes, the emotional one, the distracted one. And as long as you keep acting like that person, your future is already decided. A real comeback requires something painful. You have to let the old version of you die. No announcements, no explanations, just new standards. Your new self doesn't need permission. Step 3. Master yourself. The most dangerous person in the world is the one who controls themselves. Not their circumstances, not other people, themselves. If your phone controls you, if comfort controls you, if emotions control you, then you're not ready for the life you say you want. Power is choosing what deserves your energy and what doesn't. Step 4. Find your hunger again. You're not lazy, you just got comfortable. You forgot what it feels like to want something so badly it keeps you awake at night. Real change needs hunger. Not for money, not for attention, but for self-respect. For the feeling of finally being proud when you look in the mirror. If you're just surviving days, you're slowly disappearing. Step 6. Go ghost. At some point, your life needs silence. Less talking, less explaining, less availability. Not because you're better than others, but because your future needs space to grow. Your next level won't be built in group chats. It won't be built in comment sections. Disappear now so you can return different. Step 7. The blueprint. Here's the simple structure. Not easy, simple. First phase, discipline. Wake up early, move your body daily. One deep work session every morning, even when you don't feel like it. Second phase, direction. Pick one skill, just one. Study it every day. Cut your biggest distractions. Third phase, pressure. You'll feel tired, doubt will hit, but momentum is already built. This is where most people quit, and where you don't. By the end of the year, your confidence won't come from motivation. It'll come from proof. I can't force you to change, but someone watching this will actually do it. And in 12 months, their life will feel so different it won't even feel real. 2026 gives you 365 chances to prove you're not done yet. Not to the world, to yourself.